look at what we have here at Unique, especially in classics. I can honestly say I've not seen one of these in person. 1994 Land Rover Defender 90. According to the gentleman that consigned this with us and has it for sale. These are imported from Britain. This particular model is the turbo diesel powered variety. And that turbo diesel is paired up with a 5-speed manual transmission. Power steering, power brakes. As you can see, kind of this vintage burgundy or deep wine color with the black accents. Black wheels riding on the BF Goodrich radials. What a great looking off-road SUV from the mid-90s. Not going to see one of these at every street corner, no doubt about that. You want to check out the still pictures? UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. This has had restoration work. We'll fire up and drive. It's been recently gone through. We ran it through our service inspection in the shop. How fun would this be? In your classic roll-ins, local shows. Just take it out and drive and have a little fun. Now, you're going to notice here too, since being imported from Britain, look at that right-hand drive. We're going to start it up. Let's check out the engine bay here at Run. These would be a 2-seat vehicle, of course, with the third door in the back and rear jump seats. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. And once again, still pictures. You'll be able to see the undersides, the very top up there, interior, engine bay. Still pictures can be seen at UniqueClassicCars.com. Again, just click on that link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website where you can check it out. I'm going to pop the passenger door here, so don't think I'm falling for it. I'm going to get in this side to try to start it and drive it. Nobody making fun of me on YouTube now. All right. Take a look at the interior here, then we'll get around to the other side. Check it out. Start it up, let you hear it run. So seats are kind of a vinyl cloth blend. They're free of rips, tears, holes. As far as the rear, you can see jump seats back here. Will fold down. And of course, the third door in the back. Center console. It's got 5-speed on the floor. All right. A little easier to show you from the inside from that angle and that side. Now let's slip around here to this side. We'll start it up. Now I did play around with it a little bit. I did have the blower fan does work, which control is over on this side right over here. Did have the wipers working. Those are on the steering column. All right. Key on the left side of the steering column. You can see how easily it fires up. Sounds good too. Man, this thing be fun. I'd like to go off-roading with it. So your gauge is fuel gauge. That was a cold start, FYI. We are indoors. There's no waiting on the diesel or anything like that. Fires right up. And as far as hood release is down below the dash, we're going to pop that since we want to check out that engine bay. I guess it's what you'd expect as far as how it sounds. Very smooth running. Sounds like a sewing machine. All right, I'm going to pause this a second just so I can get this hood open here, and we'll check out the engine bay after this video.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
There's the hood pot. Check out the underside of that first. Nice, clean, and tidy. There's that engine bay. Again, turbo diesel. Paired up with that 5-speed manual transmission. Power steering. Power brakes. Listen to that. What a great sound, especially in a vehicle like this. You won't see one of these every day. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. 1994 Land Rover Defender 90 4-wheel drive turbo diesel variety. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.